It's a 2017 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Of the Regal, the Car Connection notes it marries European driving dynamics, tidy sports sedan styling, and quite a bit of elegance. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.